hide in. A is for ant, so tiny and small. She carries her crumbs and walks in a crawl. A is for ape, who loves to play. He swings on vines all through the day. A ape armadillo, round and shy. He rolls in a ball when people walk by. A is for albatross, soaring in the blue. She spreads her wings and flies right through. A is for acorn, falling from the tree. It hides in the grass